Our next topic is all about Lesson 64, Electrical Symbols. Electrical symbols play an important part in an electrical circuit. It gives a clearer view and understanding to enable engineers and technicians to indicate electrical installations. So first is the schematic symbols. We have there the conductor, switch, fuse, ground, cell, battery, resistor, rheostat, potentiometer, capacitor, variable, capacitor, connected wires, inductor. We have two kinds, the air core and iron core. And then we have also here the terminal, transistor, PNP, transistor, NPN, lamp, ballast, transformer, rectifier, and plug. So we have also here the architectural symbols. These are used in conjunction with architectural illustration, specifically for buildings and structures. So we have there the DC source, AC source, convenience outlet, single pole switch, tumbler switch, key operated switch, three-way switch, two kinds of two-way switch, voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer, and wattmeter. Okay. For pictorial symbols, these are frequently used in panel diagrams, in which the drawings of an actual object are indicated. Speaker, bell, buzzer, headphone, push button, microphone, annunciator, and antenna. Okay, so ayan. In our self-checking exercises, directions, identify the following symbols. Write the answers in your test booklet. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, we have there the electrical symbols. So once again, you have to look at them, identify them, and you are going to put them in your mind. Okay? Continuation tayo. And then we have there the architectural symbols. Sige. You're going to memorize them. Wattmeter and galvanometer yung nandiyan na medyo napigisan. And so we have the pictorial symbols. Okay. So there you are. And then, ulitin natin ulit for mastery, electrical symbols, schematic symbols. Okay, so ayan. Focus natin. Alright. Next tayo. Okay, electrical architectural symbols. And then we have the pictorial symbols. And then we have your activity. This one here. Points to remember. Electrical diagrams are written in symbols. Knowing these symbols facilitate reading and interpretation of these diagrams. So that is very important to remember, to consider. Okay, and so let's proceed now to your self-checking exercise. Okay?